Good day, everyone. Life Bridge Foundation, a registered non-governmental organization dedicated to serving vulnerable and underprivileged communities in Pakistan. Through our work, we strive to improve lives by providing humanitarian support, healthcare access, and community development programs. We present an important initiative called the Free Community Ambulance Service Project, surrounding the Rawalpindi and Islamabad. Thousands of families live in poverty and have very limited access to healthcare facilities. During medical emergencies, the most critical factor is time. Unfortunately, many people in these communities cannot reach hospitals quickly because they do not have access to reliable ambulance services. When emergencies occur, such as road accidents, heart attacks, serious illnesses, or complications during pregnancy, families are often forced to transport patients on motorcycles, rickshaws, or private vehicles. These methods are unsafe and often cause dangerous delays. As a result, many patients arrive at hospitals too late, leading to serious complications or even loss of life. Recognizing this urgent need, Life Bridge Foundation is launching the Free Community Ambulance Service project to provide free and reliable emergency transportation for poor and underserved communities. The project will begin with 4 ambulances. 2 Suzuki Caravans will be used for narrow streets and slum areas, while 2 Toyota Hiace ambulances will serve longer distances and critical cases. Each ambulance will be equipped with essential emergency tools such as oxygen cylinders, stretchers, first aid kits, wheelchairs, communication systems, and emergency lighting. The ambulances will operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, supported by trained drivers, paramedic assistance, and a call response system. This team will ensure that patients receive basic first aid and safe transportation to nearby hospitals. The service will focus on some of the most underserved communities in the region, including Doak Chakra, Gurja Village, Adula Road Settlements, Baraf Khana Christian Colony, Rowat and surrounding villages. Many families in these areas depend on daily wages and simply cannot afford private ambulance services. Over the next 5 years, this project aims to help thousands of patients reduce delays in medical treatment, support pregnant women during childbirth emergencies, and provide rapid response to accident victims. However, the success of this project depends on partnership and collaboration. Life Bridge Foundation invites government institutions, NGOs, churches, international organizations, and generous donors to join us in this life-saving mission. By supporting this initiative, you are not only funding an ambulance, you are saving lives, supporting families, and bringing hope to communities that have long been underserved. Together, we can build a compassionate system where no one loses their life simply because help could not reach them in time.